I recently purchased these ARC splash guards for my 4th gen 4Runner. The splash guards that come from the factory are fine. They're a little thin and mine were quite old, so they weren't staying attached very well. I wanted to upgrade to something that was a little bit more substantial. I've seen different instructions for DIYing this project out of just some rubber mat or yoga mat. But I really like the fit and finish of these. They also include all the necessary hardware, and the price point wasn't too bad. They come in at $117 US for the 4th gen 4Runner, and I think I paid $12 shipping, so right at $130. Here I'm having to drill out one of the mounting locations. For whatever reason, one of the holes doesn't come drilled all the way through, and so you'll have to finish that out yourself. And here's a look at the factory ones on mine. Again, not too bad, but a little saggy, not really hanging on there too well. You can see this one just basically falls off, so we'll go ahead and toss those in the garbage. As you can see, this is what I mean by being a bit more substantial. These new ones are made out of a more rubbery material. The factory ones are pretty plasticky and very, very thin. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pop in all the plastic mounting clips. They give you a few spares in the bag. I think that you needed 10 per side, and I believe they gave you 2 extras per side. And yep, it's as simple as it looks. You're just lining up the holes and with the plastic clips and then pushing in the push pins, going around and doing that in all the locations. It basically uses all the existing factory mounting locations with the addition of 1 extra at the top for that piece that now joins the 2 sections. One thing I will say is if you're not working in your apartment parking lot like I am and you can jack up your vehicle and take the wheel off, that would probably make things a little bit easier. It wasn't necessarily difficult to work around the wheel, but it would be nice to have a little bit extra space, and you'd probably get a little less dirty than I did. But honestly, it's not necessary. You have plenty of room to work around things. You can access all the holes fairly easily. Overall, I'm super stoked on these. These were a super easy install. They are a drastic improvement over factory. I had a great experience dealing with the ARC Splash Guards company. They had super fast shipping, lots of communication, everything you could hope for. Yeah, A+ in my book.